In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to withdraw cash from your Paysera account. This tutorial will guide you through the process of withdrawing cash from your Paysera account. This service is available for individual account holders and can be conveniently accessed through the Paysera mobile app. Follow these steps to withdraw your funds without the need to select an office beforehand. Ensure that you have an individual Paysera account. Use the payment purpose order for cash withdrawal during the transfer. Next, open the Paysera mobile application on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it on the Google Play or App Store. Now, select the plus icon on the left down menu. Select New Transfer and then to Bank Account. That if you need to withdraw your money with bank account. After that, you need to select your name and your IBAN. And after that, select the amount and review the fees of sending money from Paysera to a bank account. After doing that, press Send or slide it to send the money to your bank account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.